Okay guys, it was like in the negatives, like maybe 10 last night. It is now 0 right now. Probably about 40 in the barn, 35 in the barn. It is freezing. I doubt this thing will start without some diesel engine crack, but let's give it a whirl. Okay, we're giving her some crack. Find it here. She's getting some crack today. Oh, I dislike this skid loader about 20% of the time. I have to cut the string because I had to tie the door because the latch is dead. Ding dong dong, ding dong dong, ding dong dong, ding 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 dong. Give her just a little snort and turn her over again. Someone has the throttle clear down. Okay, give her another snort. Here, babe. Need another snort? Okay, after the camera fell about 100 times and the lens sounds awful now when I turn the camera on, we are done. Well, no we're not, I guess. Because I still gotta try and get this door closed. It's a pain in the butt because someone didn't clear this manure away while it was thawed when they last cleaned Freestyle Barn. So I gotta try and chip that away. So anyhow, I'll shut this off. I'll be back when I start cleaning the calf pens because I gotta clean this mess up there first. Okay. I got the water thing out of the way. We got the old skid loader out of the way. So now we gotta move a old trough and some others and the gate and stuff. And then we switch to the bucket and we should be ready to go. So I'm gonna set you guys there. Now in this skid loader you should not fall because that spot right there is a little better. This skid loader is much nicer. this is a couple weeks old. This is right after that incredibly cold spell of like -30 wind chill most of the time and 0-degree weather. Um, it has been warm the last 3 days, like 40s, and today it's actually 55 outside right now, but it's raining. Um, yeah, this couple weeks ago, I'd say, cleaned out the calf pens, and I have another video I'll post sometime that's going to be even older than this of running some air on the soybeans when it was still like it was pretty nice out yet. It was our last like sunny, low humidity days where there's like not a bunch of mud everywhere. But all the snow has melted off. They're calling for cold temperatures tonight for it to cool off again tonight. I think right down around 10 degrees again after tonight. So it's gonna feel cold again. But yeah, I'm just cleaning out the calf pens. The camera fell in the old skid loader, so when it fell, it said lens error, and it deleted what it was already recorded. It didn't save it at all. So yeah, but hope you guys enjoy this video. What is of the video? It's not as good as what I thought it was, but hey. I think it's just because I was leaning forward in the skid loader, so I block most of the view. That or the camera's not all the way to the right. Not really sure. It worked the last time I set the camera there, but not really this time. Yeah. I actually gotta go. After this uploads, I'm going to be out in the barn, cleaning the old freestyle barn again, and check and see if the heifers need hay. What else will I be doing with the skid loader? I don't think there's anything else. Not that I can think of. But anyhow, almost to the end of this. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and enjoy the rest of your day. Share the video with your friends. See ya.